Right, let's talk about something game-changing in the world of cryptocurrency. Pakistan, yes, that Pakistan, has just thrown its hat into the digital assets ring in a big way. And not only that, but American Bitcoin legend Michael Saylor is giving them the thumbs up. Now if you're into crypto, you'll know Michael Saylor as the guy who turned MicroStrategy from a mid-sized software company into a Bitcoin juggernaut. We're talking about the world's largest corporate holder of Bitcoin. In just a few years, he took the company from a market cap of about $1.2 billion to over $105 billion, simply by believing in Bitcoin and executing on that vision. So, what's actually happened in Pakistan? Well, in March 2025, the government set up the Pakistan Crypto Council, or PCC. It's led by Finance Minister Mohammad Aurangzeb and Bilal Bin Saqib, with Binance co-founder Changpeng Zhao as a strategic advisor. That's a serious lineup. Think of it as Pakistan's own crypto Avengers. But here's what really matters. Pakistan isn't just talking. They've got 40 million crypto users, and their annual trading volume has smashed through $300 billion. That's not just adoption, that's a tidal wave. In a landmark meeting in Islamabad, Michael Saylor sat down with Aurangzeb and Bin Saqib. The conversation was all about how Bitcoin and digital assets could play a central role in Pakistan's future. Saylor wasn't shy with his praise, saying, "Pakistan has many brilliant people. It also has commitment and clarity needed by businesses globally." That's some high-level validation from a guy who's shaped Bitcoin policy debates at the White House and beyond. The discussion zeroed in on Bitcoin's potential as a sovereign-grade asset, a tool for monetary resilience and as the backbone of a digital economic transformation. Imagine a country using Bitcoin not just as an investment, but as part of its national reserves, fundamentally boosting its financial security. Bilal Bin Saqib put it best: if a private individual can turn a company into a $100 billion Bitcoin powerhouse in the States, why can't a nation like Pakistan do the same? They've got the talent, the story, and, crucially, the energy. And speaking of energy, the PCC has even floated the idea of using Pakistan's surplus energy to power Bitcoin mining. That's a clever way to turn an existing resource into an engine for foreign investment and economic growth. Saylor was crystal clear. Bitcoin is the strongest asset for long-term national resilience. He believes that emerging markets like Pakistan have a once-in-a-generation opportunity here to leapfrog straight into the future of finance, skipping over years of slow, incremental progress. This isn't just about hype, it's a strategic move. By building a strong policy framework, Pakistan is laying the groundwork to attract global institutions, investors, and technical talent. They're aiming to become a Web3 and Bitcoin-ready economy, a benchmark for the entire global South. And here's the kicker: Michael Saylor, the man who single-handedly changed how Wall Street sees Bitcoin, is now offering his insights and support to Pakistan. That's a serious vote of confidence, and a sign that the country's crypto ambitions are being taken seriously at the highest levels. So what does this mean for you? If you're a crypto investor, Pakistan just became a market to watch. The combination of a massive user base, government backing, and heavyweight advisors like Saylor and Zhao could make it one of the most exciting spaces in the digital asset world over the next few years. That's it for today. Let me know in the comments. Do you think Pakistan's bold crypto move will pay off? Or is this just another flash in the pan? Either way, it's clear the future of digital assets is being written in places you might not expect.